Namaste everyone. Today we will be discussing about squares and square root. So, from the word square means it is a closed figure where all the sides are equal. So, I have drawn a square of length A unit, and we know to find out the area of a square. We got this in our previous class. So, area of a square is side into side. That means the length A is multiplied with itself. A into A. Okay? So A into A, we can write A to the power 2. A into A, we can write it as A to the power 2. So this is the area of a square. That means the side is multiplied with itself. Same way for in case of numbers. Square of a number is the product of the number when it is multiplied by itself. So 1 into 1 can be written as 1 square. Okay? 2 into 2, which is 2 to the power 2, that means which is equal to 4, can be read as 2 square. 3 into 3, that means 3 square, which is equal to 9, read as 3 square. 4 into 4, the number is multiplied with itself, can be written as 4 to the power 2, which is 16, read as 4 square. And so on. The numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, and the next number we'll get 5 into 5 as 25, known as square numbers. So the numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16 are known as square numbers. Okay. Is 32 a square number? So, we know that 5 into 5, which is 5 square, written as 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 6 square, 36. This number 32, this number will lie between 25 and 36. But there is no natural number between this 5 and 6. So, there is no natural number between 5 and 6. Okay? So there is no natural number between 5 and 6. So what we can write? That 32 is not a square number. So therefore 32 is not a square number. Let us go through the square of first 20 natural numbers. So the first natural number is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. 9 into 9, 81. 10 into 10, 100. Same way, 11 into 11, 121. 12 into 12, 144. 13 into 13, 169. 14 into 14, 196. 15 into 15, 225, and so on. We need to observe this table. Now, if you see 1, is multiplied with 1 gives us 1. Same way, you can see a number when it is multiplied with itself, the unit digit is 1. Okay, that means the digit 1 will give you 1, and 9 if it is multiplied, 9 square will give you 81. Same way, the unit digit here 11, 1, if it is the square of this 11, 121, the unit digit is 1. Same way, if you go for 19, so 19 into 19, 161. So in case of 11 and 19 also, the square number ends with the digit 1. Okay, can you see? The 1 square is 1 here. 9 square 81. The unit digit in this case is 1. Same way, 11 square 121. The unit digit in this case 1. The same way, 19 square 161. The unit digit is 1. So same way, if we go for 2. 2 square gives you 4. Same way, 8 square gives you 64. Then 12 square gives you 144 and 18 square gives you 324. That means the number ending, the unit digit 2, the square of this 2 ends with 4. Square of 8 ends with unit digit 4. Same way, 12, 2, the unit digit 2 ends with 4. Same way, 18, 8 ends with 4. Okay? Now if you see for 3 and 7, 3 square gives you 9, 7 square gives you 49. 3 and 7, these two numbers, if it is square individually, the number ends with the unit digit as 9. Okay? Same way, 13 and 17. So 13, 3 ends with 9. 17 square ends with 289. So unit digit in this case is 9. Okay? Now 4 and 6, if you see, 4, 4, 16 ends with 6. 6 ends with 6, that is 36. Same way, 4, 14, 14, 4 ends with 196. 16, 6 ends with 256. Okay? There is only a single number, that is 5 with ends with 5. Same way 15 also. Ends with 5. Okay? So, the next is the numbers ending with 0. For example, suppose 10 is a number ending with 0. That means 10 square will get 100. Same way 20 square will get 400. 100 square, that means 100 into 100. Let me write down. So it will be 1, 4 zeros. 200, that means 200 into 200. 200 square, that means 200 into 200 will give you 40,000. Same way 1000 square, 1000 into 1000. 1, 2, 3, 3. 6 zeros. 3, 6 zeros. 2000 square, 2000 into 2000. 4, 6 zeros. 3. Okay. Now from this what we can see? We have to observe the numbers now. You can see one digit, 1 0. These two numbers have 1 0. But the square ends with 2 zeros. Twice the number of zeros of the number. Same way, 2 zeros, your 2 zeros. In this case, what you can see? 4 zeros, twice the number of zeros of the number itself. Twice the number of zeros of the number here. So in this case, 2 zeros are there. When it is squared, the square of this 100, we got 4 zeros. Okay, just a double. Same way, 3 zeros are here, we'll get here 6 zeros. So 3 zeros, and after squaring that, we got here 6 zeros. Okay. So in this case what you can say, the square of such numbers ending, the numbers ending with 0, the square of such numbers have twice the number of zeros present in the square. Today we have understood how to find out a square of a number. We have understood perfect square. Then also we have understood the digit ending with the numbers which are perfect square numbers. Okay, so a lot more things to be understood. Many interesting facts are also there. So we will do this in our next class. So before that, some of the questions I have given as home assignments, so kindly write down that.